Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, hope I am audible to everyone. So,
Yes.
welcome you all to this afternoon at the virtual ceremony of 10th Science and Technology Awards 2021. Due to the COVID restriction, we are forced to organize this virtually. Last year also, this was organized virtually on 7th of June, and we are hoping that from next year onward, we will be able to organize the ceremony in in Bangalore, like we did before 2020. So myself is RB Singh. I'm the marketing head of Education Expert TV, which conduct the Science and Technology Award. This is the 10th edition of this. So without taking more time, let me begin the ceremony. Let first me give you the introduction about the Education Expert TV and Science and Technology Awards. So now I officially welcome all the participants to the 10th edition of the Science and Technology Awards. Uh, Education Expo TV is the India's leading research and branding company. The company was founded in the year 2011 with main focus area in education sector. Within the span of only few years of time, company grows from strength to strength and expanded its operation to healthcare, real estate, hospitality, entertainment, and edutainment sector. The company provides services of rating, ranking, survey, research, and branding solutions. To give more light on 10th Science Educate, uh, 10th Science and Technology Awards, I would like to invite Dr. DC Singh, Chief Research Advisor of ETCRS, to present the report of ETCRS 10th Science and Technology Award. Before he came, let me give you the introduction of Dr. DC Singh. Dr. DC Singh, heading the research wing of Education Expert TV. His position is largely responsible for all research and branding related activities of ETCRS. He is holding doctorate degree with vast experience in education and industrial research. Now to throw some details on ETCRS 10 Science and Technology Awards, I would like to invite Dr. DC Singh. Dr. Singh. Just a minute. I think Dr. DC Singh is.
Hello.
Yeah. You are audible.
Can you listen?
Yeah.
Okay. So welcome to our this ceremony, award distribution ceremony. Science and Technology Awards established by ETCRS with the mission to identify best practices in teaching, research, and technology fields. The evaluation criteria followed by us is based on the parameters like scientific papers written as first author, review and article published as first author, books and chapters written as first author again, and books edited, principal investigatorship of projects, seminar organized, invited talks given, radio, television talks, popular article written, published, and patent filed or got, and consultancy project undertaken. Again, all are this as first author or investigator. The administrative expertise also has been taken into account for best principal or director awards. Our mission is to create value-based media for the world, and Science and Technology Awards is one such initiative. We at ETCRS are committed to bring the honest opinion, social change, and justice to the services. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. DC Singh, to throw the light on Ten Science and Technology Awards. Now, let me begin the. Just a minute. Okay. The evaluation criteria followed by us has already described by my senior Dr. DC Singh. So whatever be the result we are announcing today is solely based upon these parameters. So without taking any more time, I would like to take permission of Dr. DC Singh to announce the result of this evening. So, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, thanks for your participation. And here I am going to announce the result of the 10th edition of Science and Technology Awards. First, I am announcing the result for the International Achievement Award. Award for International Achievement goes to Dr. Ajay Kumar Pandey. He's a Principal Scientist, Fish Conservation Division, ICAR, National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Please give him the round of applause. Now the Special Achievement Awards. In the Special Achievement Award, the first honorable jury mention certificate goes to Mr. Sanjeev Tyagi, an executive engineer from Public Health and Engineering Department, Government of Haryana. Congratulations. Now the award for special achievement goes to Dr. Sasi Bhushan Mahapatra. He's a reader of zoology from Baki Autonomous College, Odisha. Congratulations. Now let's move to the faculty category. In the faculty category, the best faculty award goes to Mr. Anup S. Patwal. He's an assistant lecturer of the subject front office from Institute of Hotel Management, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Congratulations. Next best faculty award goes to Dr. B. John Robert. He's an assistant professor of education from College Junior College, Andhra Pradesh. Congratulations. Now, the award for excellence in research. The, the honorable jury mention certificate in the award for excellence in research category goes to Dr. Lakshman Singh, Senior Project Manager from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. The second honorable jury mention certificate goes to Mr. Shashank Bhari. He's a Senior Research Fellow of Chemical Engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Congratulations. Now the award for excellence in research goes to Dr. Raghu Patruni Bhima Rao. He's a director and former CSIR chief scientist from Research Mineral and Process Engineering. Currently, he is serving as director at RN Institute of Engineering and Technology, Odisha. Congratulations. Next award for excellence in research goes to Dr. Avnish Kumar Singh. He's an assistant professor of botany from SGN Government PG College, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. And the last award for excellence in research goes to Dr. S.K. Atherwal. He is a professor and HOD pharmaceutical analysis from National College of Pharmacy, KMCT Group of Institution, Kerala. Congratulations. Now, the researcher category. So the best researcher award goes to Mr. Gaurang Kumar Kantilal Sharma. He's an assistant professor electrical engineering from BVM Engineering College, Gujarat. Congratulations. And now the young scientist category. In the young scientist category, the first young scientist award goes to Dr. Kumar M. He's a faculty member of environmental science from Bangalore University, Karnataka. Congratulations. Now the best young scientist award, second best young scientist award goes to Dr. Pritushak Mondal. He's an assistant professor from Regional Research Station, Uttar Banga Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Kuch Bihar, West Bengal. Congratulations. Now the next best young scientist award goes to Dr. Shovan Mondal. He's an assistant professor of chemistry from Sham Sundar College, West Bengal. Congratulations. And the last best young scientist award in this category goes to Dr. Priya Pandurang Gaurav. He's a scientist of soil chemistry and fertility from ICAR, Indian Institute of Soil Science, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Congratulations. Now we are moving toward the last category, which is the scientist category. So we have the two winners in the scientist category. The first winner, the best scientist award, goes to Dr. Dhananjay Singh, scientist from agronomy field from JNKVV, KVK, Madhya Pradesh, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Madhya Pradesh. Congratulations. Now, the last award of this afternoon, the best scientist award, goes to Dr. Nandini N. She's a professor of environmental science from Bangalore University, Karnataka. Congratulations. So friend, here is the complete result of the 10th edition of Science and Technology Award. We all are here to celebrate the success of each other. So please give the one round of applause for the success of everyone. The complete result will be available on the website very soon, and same will be sent to you through email, and the soft copy of the certificate will be sent to you through email as well, maybe tomorrow or day after, and the certificates and the winning trophies will reach you probably by 25th of June of this month. So before we conclude this, I would like to invite I think so. So, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for participating in 10 Science and Technology Awards and making it a great success. those names whose name is not appearing in the result, they will get the certificate, right, via post. So before we conclude this ceremony, yeah, sorry, the system got hanged up.